What? No.
Happy birthday!
Damn. This is hella nice, dude.
So I want to share with you the buildup, what got us to that point. Stay tuned for that. But also, all my viewers on my channel, I took on this project because I thought a lot of you would be interested in like the Game Boy versions and things like that. Or maybe you are interested in the iPhone version, or maybe you have a custom build you'd like to do. But if you like this type of artwork where it gives you something retro, there's like some tech involved, it looks really cool. I think it really is a work of art. And my friend here loved it, as you saw. But they offered to send me one. I said, "Oh, I don't. I would have got one. I would have got the Game Boy one. I'll talk about that later." But I was like, "How about I surprise my friend with one? I know he would like it." So I'll share with you the build-up. But I did want to say that I took on this project also because I thought that a lot of you might be interested in. Well, and as you go through the video, there is like some blank templates and things like that if you want to do the teardown yourself. This was a pre-built one though that was all ready to go. You just keep it out of the box and already had the iPhone stuff. So here's the build-up. I told my friend Kevin here that I was going to be doing a project about like human stimulus and reactions to different items. And so I just sent him like 3 or 4 different items. This was the first one, which is some chocolate. And then the second item is a water bottle, and then the third item was was like a piece of paper that said "You are loved," and then the fourth one is the actual gift because I had to like make it a surprise. Okay.
What? No.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, dude. For real?
Yeah, that's for you.
Why'd you get this?
Our buddies over at Heart over here, X Art,
Wow, dude.
hooked you up. You have to. I think you have to take off the. There's like a safety seal.
Damn. This is hella nice, dude.
I lied about the video. It's just I need to make a video for this product.
Oh, okay.
But it is for you.
It is for you.
Okay.
I got that. Remember, I asked you which one you would get,
Yeah.
and you said you'd get the iPhone
Wow.
X, or
Wow.
10. So, do you have? Should we give the viewers any context? You're an iPhone, you're a Mac lover.
I've been using Macs, iPhones from a long time ago. You showed me this site. I thought it was really cool what they were doing. And then you asked me like, "Oh, which one do you like the most?" And I was like, "Oh, this one looks kind of cool." It's really, yeah, it's awesome. This is so amazing.
You know what's funny is when I showed it to your sister and your mom, they're both like, "Wow, Kevin's gonna love this."
Yeah.
He might actually drill a hole in his wall.
I will put it up. I will
Yeah.
definitely put it up.
Well, command strip it.
Yeah, well, I'm afraid the command strips won't hold it. But yeah, I mean, they would actually. This is awesome. Wow.
And you got 15% off your next order.
Dang. I mean, this already is just, this is awesome, dude.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
It is really nice looking, right?
It is.
I know. It's very classy. Very sleek. I was like, dang.
XREART. There'll be a link in the description as well. .com. And many of you who watch my channel probably are interested in like the game console. If I was to buy one for myself, I'd probably just get the old school Game Boy or Game Boy Pocket. I think that's really cool. But as you see here, there's the iPhone Watch. You got the iPhone. Let's see what on the game consoles. Game Boy Color. Oh, there you go. I'd get the 1989 Game Boy is what I'd get, not the Pocket, just the original. But not as much to take out here. Like the boards are a lot bigger. I think the iPhones are so cool. Like the one that we got, the iPhone X, because there's so many pieces to it. And I don't know if you saw the video, but he was really impressed by the the haptic sensor, the vibrating sensor right here, and so many cool little things on this. So he hung it up. He loves it. It's really, really cool. Now, you might be thinking, oh, this is really expensive. Don't forget, you can also do it yourself. There looks like there's some free template downloads, which is really cool. You have some things on sale as well. And then, so for the iPhone, you can get it, I'm pretty sure you can get it with or without the phone inside of it. Yeah, so you could just buy the teardown template framed, right? For the different iPhones. And then all you need to do is if you have like an old phone, you could just take it apart. Or let's say you buy like an old Game Boy, you can just get the template and go ahead and just disassemble it yourself, right? And then like right here, right? You have the DIY template for the Game Boy Advance. So you get the template, and then once you have the template, oh, here you go. Where's the regular Game Boy? There you go. Game Boy Color, Game Boy Pocket. Okay, cool. So Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Pocket, Game Boy Color. They're out of the Pokemon one. And you could just grab these and then disassemble your own. But pretty cool, right? So I highly recommend this company. As you saw, I was blown away. My friend was blown away. My wife was blown away. Everyone who saw it really liked it. So if you really do want a piece of art, something that will go a long way with people, definitely give them a try. It was a fun video to make. Thank you to them for sending me. They did send me that free of charge. So I'd make a video about it, but it was totally worth it. And I would totally get one for myself, the Game Boy one, or do my own, especially if I had like a Game Boy that wasn't working. But that's what I think. Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.